Hello everybody, today I'm at the Detroit Auto Show taking a look at this 2024 Dodge Hornet RT plug-in hybrid. Absolutely beautiful red exterior color. This thing pops. Starting off up front, we're going to have your full LED headlight group with LED accent lighting. Parking sensors are going to be integrated into the bottom portion of the bumper. This guy also has adaptive cruise control, so your sensor is right there. 360-degree camera system, so your front-facing camera is right underneath the Dodge logo, the four-wheel drive logo, I believe that is. Cross-path detection is included. Very, very sleek style wheels. I believe this is included in the blacktop package. I'm not 100% sure. We'll have to take a look at the window sticker in a minute, but it looks like it is a gloss black 20-inch wheel, and it looks like we are on some Michelin... something Michelin Primacies, maybe 235/40 ZR20s. Very, very aggressive. You see the red Dodge brake calipers, blacked out Hornet logo right here, gloss black mirror caps with your camera right there. Blind spot monitoring is included. Passive entry, so as long as you have the key fob on you, you can lock and unlock the vehicle. I do like the gloss black two-tone with the fender flares that transition into the rocker panel applique. Does keep rocks off of the most vulnerable portion of the vehicle. Passenger side has the gas fill port. I believe this one is lockable as I can't get into it. Cross path detection in the back. Dual chrome tipped exhaust. Parking sensors are kind of integrated into the middle and lower portions of the bumper. Your backup camera is going to be right here. Beautiful looking LED tail lamps. Your RT badging is going to be on the passenger side in all black, and then your Hornet badging is going to be on the driver side in all black. This, I believe, is your charging port, so it's actually pretty cool. Instead of having the charger up front, we have the charger on the driver's side, and then we have the gas filler on the passenger side in the back. Coming back around to the driver's side, it's another side profile. We'll take a look at that Monroney here in a little bit. But overall, I really like the design of the Hornet. I believe it shares the design cues from the Alfa Romeo that they just had released. This thing looks extremely aggressive and super sporty. Let's take a quick look at the interior. So starting off over on the driver's side door, we have this extremely soft leather with red stitching. Really nice kind of machined looking metal material in here as well. I don't think it's actually metal, but it feels like it's been machined. All the window controls are going to be right here. Mirror controls right there. This does have the Harman Kardon premium audio group. Your lock and unlock button is going to be right there, as well as your 3-seat memory. Now down here we have the unlock button for the gas filler, rotary dial selector for the exterior lighting of the vehicle, as well as the dimmer switch for the instrument cluster. Coming up top to the dashboard, it is this soft rubberized dashboard, premium audio speaker right here. Coming down to the instrument cluster, it is fully digital, very customizable and programmable. Lots of cool different features on here as well. I love that the automotive industry is moving in that direction. Now, coming back to the steering wheel, softer leather wrap steering wheel than in the GT or the GLH, I believe. Really nice. It does have kind of a flat bottom on it. Mild bolsters at 10 and 2. Over on the left-hand side, we have all the cruise control buttons as well as your gap adjustment button, and I believe your lane keep assist. Seems like every manufacturer puts some sort of different logo for lane keep assist. Some people have this for the semi-autonomous driving. Some people have it for the lane keep assist, so correct me in the comment section below if I am wrong. Over on the right-hand side, we have the controller for the center LCD display. And then right here we have your e-drive modes. You are going to get more horsepower in this than you would just a regular RT or GT. Coming over to the touchscreen display, it is very sleek. It has the card system. I believe it also has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. You can get it with navigation as well. Super high definition. I love it. I actually think this is perfect size touchscreen display for this size of vehicle. Under that, you have your air conditioning vents and hazard light buttons. Dual zone climate control is going to be right here. Push button start with your sport mode right here. I do not think this one has automatic start stop because it is the hybrid and it's the sportier one. So your sport modes are right here. We have a 12-volt outlet, USB Type-C, as well as a wireless charging mat right here. Volume control is going to be right there. I like that position a lot. Electronic parking brake right here. Shifter with manual plus minus. Behind that, it looks like we have your traction control off button, parking sensors off button, and then your parallel park button. 2 cup holders. And then we have a nice, sleek, minimalist style center console. Beautiful leather and almost like this suede perforated material with red accents underneath. Again, red stitching throughout. Your glove box is going to be right here. Up top with the vanity, it's going to be incandescent lit for your passenger as well as the driver. The driver vanity does have a 3-door universal garage remote. Up top right here, we have all the master controls for the massive single pane sunroof, as well as all the master controls for the LED dome map lights for the vehicle. And I believe you have your trunk release buttons up here as well. In front of that, you have your auto dimming rear view mirror. So overall, I really do like the interior of this vehicle. I did forget to mention, you do have these massive oversized metal paddle shifters that do not move with the wheel. And these things are actually bigger than I've seen even on the TRX, which is pretty insane to me, but that's awesome. Love the interior of this vehicle. I love the sportiness. This is a very small, compact SUV that has a lot of horsepower and is more focused on performance. Let's take a quick look at the back and see how much room we have. So unfortunately, I know I'm not gonna have enough room to fit back in here. I'm just a little bit too big, but we do have storage in the form of pouches behind both driver and passenger seats. Rear air conditioning vents with USB and USB Type-C to keep the rear occupants' devices charged. Fold down armrest / cup holder with a pass-through for the trunk we will take a look at in a little bit. However, I do find it kind of weird. You have an amazing amount of headroom in here, but not much leg room. LED dome map lights are going to be right up top, and these seats do come and fold forward, giving you more cargo space. Let's take a quick look now at the trunk. So to open the trunk on this vehicle, you're going to come up to the right of the backup camera. There's a button. It's going to beep at you a couple times, and then it's going to automatically open. This does have a privacy shield already installed. Looks like we have incandescent cargo lamps on both driver and passenger sides. You're also going to have some D-rings up here and here on both sides. Grocery hanger hooks on both sides, and then the driver's side has a 12-volt outlet to keep devices charged. Right here is your pass-through port, so if there's something back here, the rear passengers can reach in and get it, which is nice. When you're done doing your business back here, you can come up to the passenger side, push this button, and you can even lock the vehicle too from the trunk. Let's take a quick look now at that window sticker. So here's the Monroney for this guy. Again, it's a 2024 Dodge Hornet RT plug-in hybrid starting at $40,935 and has 288 horsepower. I understand there is some glare on it, so I'll go over the key features. It's got a combined horsepower of 288, total torque of 383 foot-pounds, a top speed of 128 miles an hour, and a 5.6 second 0 to 60. Got a plug-in hybrid architecture combining a 1.3 liter turbo inline 4-cylinder with a electronic motor at the rear axle, 6-speed auto, all-wheel drive with dynamic torque vectoring. This thing is absolutely insane. It does have some track pack features, which I will zoom in for you guys. It looks like this is also the blacktop with the Plus package. So there you have it, the 2024 Dodge Hornet RT plug-in hybrid blacktop plus. That is a mouthful. This thing is absolutely loaded. It looks extremely sporty. Again, I do apologize for the lighting, but if you enjoyed the video, please consider giving me a like and share. If you want to keep up to date with more auto show content and future vehicle walkthroughs, be sure to not only to subscribe to the channel, but head over to my Twitter or X account, as I will be posting all of my content on that platform exclusively first before anywhere else. Also, if you'd be so kind as to please check out all the affiliate links in the description below, as it does greatly help out the channel. Like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.